Well, I think having a very clear land registration activity means that people have got confidence in their property, and therefore you've got the ability to invest, the ability to sell and buy with security. So that has an inevitable improvement in valuation. Well, I think one of the first things is identifying the stakeholders in those smart cities, right the way from the citizen through to the government, through to health, through to transport, and then seeing what they've already got. So it may be that within smart cities there's already huge amounts of information which with geospatial coding you can actually make new and better sense of. So let's start from some fundamentals, which is what's already there, before we start looking at what we need to put in place for the future. One of the critical things is understanding who owns what and what are they trying to do with it. So in some of the cities that we're involved with, having really slick, almost machine-to-machine land registration, land planning becomes really important for speeding up the evolution of cities. Geospatial has got a fantastic space that it's now working in, and that is that we can make sense of all of the different types of data which are available. And we can do that by geocoding, by using really precise addressing to join together 50, 60, 100 different data sets and start to look at patterns. So I think we can do that now. We are already doing that in a number of the environments that we're working in, and it's going to be really interesting to see how we can do even more of that as more data becomes available. We've got a close relationship with Hexagon around the smart maps endeavour, where we're placing content into that cloud. And so that's for Great Britain and those people who are thinking of working in smart cities, in developing the urban infrastructure, have got that available and accessible to them from the cloud.